Hello friends, welcome to Basic Maths. Today I will explain associative property. So first one is associative property under addition. So the condition of associative property under addition is a plus b plus c equal to a plus b plus c. So here for all a, b, c belongs to R. So here a, b, c all are real numbers. All are real numbers. Let us see the example, that is if 2 plus 3 plus 4 equal to 2 plus 3 plus 4. So 2 plus 4 plus 3 is 7 and 2 plus 5 4. So 9 equal to 9. So here associative property is closed under addition. So associative property satisfies addition also. Next one, let us move second property, so that is subtraction. So subtraction, before the condition we will see one example. So I will take three real numbers 2, 3 and 5. So 2 minus of 3 minus 5 equal to 2 minus 3 minus 5. This is our example. So 2 minus of 3 minus 5 is minus 2 and 2 minus 1 is minus 1 minus 5. So here minus into minus plus, 2 plus 2 is 4 and minus 1 minus 5 is minus 6. So 4 not equal to minus 6. So let us construct the formula. So that is a minus of b minus c is not equal to a minus b minus c. So lastly our conclusion is associative property is not closed under subtraction. So let us move to multiplication. So third one is multiplication. So same formula I will write multiplication same way. So a into b into c equal to a into b into c. So here also for all a, b, c belongs to R. So R is nothing but all are real numbers. So let us see one example. So 2 into 3 into 5 equal to 2 into 3 into 5. So 2 into 3 into 5 is 15 and 2 into 3 is 6 into 5. So here 15 2 is 30 and 6 5 is also 30. So therefore multiplication is satisfied. So associative properties closed under multiplication. Associative properties closed under multiplication. So next one is division. Next number 4, division property. Number 4 is division. Let us see one example. So 24 divided by 12 divided by 6, that is equal to 24 divided by 12 divided by 6. So 24 by 12 is 2 and 2 divided by 6 equal to 24 divided by 2. So here 2 by 6 is 1 by 3 and this is 12. So this is not equal to 1 by 3 is not equal to 12. So therefore a divided by b divided by c is not equal to a divided by b divided by c. So hence associative property is not closed under division. So finally associative property is closed under addition and multiplication. So therefore addition a plus of b plus c equal to A plus B plus C, and this is addition, and A into B into C equal to A into B into C. So for all A, B, C belongs to R. Hope you are all understood this concept. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.